And welcome back, Math Masters of Virtual Room 502. Let's see what our last concept development is all about. And what we're going to do is we're going to express an equivalent fraction using multiplication verified by drawing an error model. Kind of like what we did before, and we can do it again. Why not? All right, we're going to start off with 1/3 equals, so we are indeed copycats. All right, so I'm going to multiply 1/3. And this time around, I'm going to multiply it by 4/4, okay? So we just have to multiply straight across. You know, when we were adding, the denominator didn't change, but now we're multiplying, so the denominator does change. So 1 times 4 is 4, and 3 times 4 is 12. So let's start with our 1/4, or 1/3, excuse me. There's our 1/3, right? Now we're going to multiply it by 4, so let's cut it once, twice, and 3 and 4. What do we wind up with? Do we wind up with 4/12? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's my numerator. What's my denominator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Looks like it works. We could have counted by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, or by 4s, 4, 8, 12. So we wind up with 4/12. Okay, we're going to do a couple more of these really quickly on the back side. Not really quickly. So let's go with 3/4 equals a fraction, an equivalent fraction. So we're going to put our 3/4, and let's multiply them by, what did we do last time around? Let's do 3/3, or 1 whole. Remember, numerator and denominator are the same. It's 1 whole. So what do we get here? We get 3 times 3, that's 3, 6, 9. And 4 times 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, or 4, 8, 12. So we get 9/12. Now let's prove it with a diagram. It's really amazing how this all works, I think. So we're going to start off with 3/4. 1, 2, there's 4/4, but we're just doing 3/4. This is 1 whole, remember? 1, 2, and 3. Whoop, my alarm's going off. I told myself I wouldn't work more than an hour, but I'm going to work a little bit more than an hour. So now let's put it into 3 pieces, right? 1, 2, and 3. What do we have? Do these represent each other? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of how many? 3, 6, 9, 12. 9/12. So we can see 3/4 is indeed equal to 9/12. You're going to do one on your own. I'm going to give you 1/2 equals, and I want you to take your 1/2 and multiply it by, let's do 5. Okay, you're going to come up with the answer there, and then you're going to make a diagram here, and we're going to color 1/2, or shade in 1/2. So finish the diagram and the multiplication and pause. Okay, welcome back. Hope you're ready to go. Hope you got it right. I hope they got it right too, Mr. Leggett. Well, you do, Princess Yvonne. That's a very nice thing to say. And by the way, let's practice our PBIS skill this week. You mean accepting compliments? Yeah, that's the one. Wow, Princess Yvonne, I really have never noticed what a wonderful crown you have, but I really like your crown. Oh, thank you for complimenting my crown. It was handed down from many generations to go from mother to daughter. Well, I sure appreciate it. Would you like to compliment me? Not really. Are you sure? Pretty sure. Okay. Well, maybe she needs to study the giving compliments PBIS lesson. All right, so 1 times 5 is 5, and 2 times 5 is 10. What are we going to do down here? We're going to make 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And look what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 tenths. Guess what? That is an equivalent fraction, and it works out perfectly. So I hope you're starting to get the hang of this. I don't think we'll have time for our problem set. We're going to work on that Monday or Wednesday. I'll work with you one-on-one in person. Fourth graders will be with virtual Miss Negative and friends. And come on back to third grade math class. Maybe do a little review on area and model for you. Area models for you. And we're going to go ahead and stop the recording.